Hello, welcome to Mr. Q at Large. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the equation whose roots are given. Normally, you're given an equation and you will ask to solve it. That means to find the roots. But today, we are doing the reverse of it. That is, the roots are given and we are now asked to find the equation. That is, find the equation whose roots are minus 3 over 4 and 5 over 6. This question was gotten from NEPO 2023. This is how to approach this question. Now let alpha be the first root, minus equals to minus 3 over 4, and beta equals to 5 over 6. From the equation, x minus alpha into x minus beta equals to 0. Now you have to substitute this value here. So our x minus 3 over 4. That means you have minus 3 over 4 into x minus beta. Our beta here is 5 over 6 equals to 0. You now simplify further. So here we have x minus times minus is plus. So you have plus 3 over 4 into x minus 5 over 6 equals to 0. So you now clear these brackets. You multiply x by x. So you have x squared, this by this, x squared, and this by this. It will give you minus 5x over 6. You are done with this place now. Then here, this time is this. That means plus 3x over 4. And the last one here, this time is this. It gives you minus 3 times 5 is 15. And 4 times 6 is 24. All equals to 0. Let us simplify this further. Now you observe 6, 1, 6, 4, and 24. Oh, let's look at them. The LCM is 24. That means 24 will enter them all. So you multiply all through by 24 just to clear the fraction. So here you have, if you put 24 here, you have 24x, and here 24 here. That means 6 into 24. 6 into 24. 4. 4 times 5. 20. Here you have minus 20x. And 24 here. 24 into 24 here. It gives you 6. 6 times 3. 18. Plus 18x. And 24 into 24 is 1. And here we have minus 15 equals to 0. So now let us simplify it now. 24 squared. Please, I'm sorry. So you have 24x squared minus 20 minus 18x. So you have minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. That is the final answer.